In this video, I'll show you how to use gestures to undo and redo in text editing apps. Here I have the Notes app, and I want to show you that I can type something here. For example, I can use voice typing to type this, and it's one sentence, just something to have anything there. Okay, so I type this, and if I want to undo, I can use this undo arrow here. It's pretty easy, or long press on the arrow and then type redo. So I can use those easily, but there is another way to undo and redo using the 3-finger gesture. So if I swipe from right to left with 3 fingers, it's going to do undo there. It shows undo, and I can do it again, undo, and it keeps doing it. I keep going back one step. It's the same as pressing the undo button here, the undo arrow. And if I want to redo, I can do a 3-finger swipe to the right, and this does a redo. It's a really quick way to do undo, and especially for redo, because for redo you have an extra tap there. So you see, as I'm swiping right, at some point it says nothing to redo, because there is nothing to redo. Same will be with the undo. If there is nothing to undo, it will say that. So if I go one step, the last step to undo, and I do one redo, I do undo once, and then if I try to do undo again, I say undo, redo, undo all the time. It will not work. So I have to do a redo. I think it's hard to say these words. I keep redoing all the changes until the last change here. This is a really quick way. Instead of having to long press the undo button, then go to redo. Instead of having to do that, you can simply do a swipe left for undo, swipe right for redo. That's it. I wanted to show you this to see how easy it is. Thanks for watching.